Hello gems, my name is Bushnell. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay long enough to subscribe. I talk about femininity, personal development, and mindset. If you're already part of the tribe, darling, welcome back. There is only one first impression, and it's made in the first 7 seconds upon meeting an individual. If your aim is to give off a classy and demure impression, then keep watching. First on the list is hair. Now, a woman's hair is her crown. And some of the things that I noticed within the first 7 seconds is the color, the style, and the accessories. Well, the neatness and grooming of your hair shows if you are somebody who's neglectful, or you're a person who has vitality. Well, if you're gonna give a classy and demure first impression, you're gonna have to opt for colors that are more natural, like brown, blonde, and black. Other colors that are in the rainbow are taken to be more expressive and creative and do not give off classy and demure. When it comes to style, opt for styles like a sleek pushback or a ponytail. And in terms of length, longer hair is seen as more feminine, while shorter hair is seen as more modern. So it's up to you to see what kind of space you want to be in. Also, when it comes to accessories, choose accessories like a headband or clips that are really good colors and are not taking away the attention and trying to grab the attention from your outfit and hair. Second thing is your skin. Healthy skin shows vitality and good self-care. On the other hand, unhealthy skin, flaky, dry skin shows stress, and it also shows poor health. Glowing skin also shows youthful and vibrancy. So if you're gonna wanna give a classy and demure impression, then opt for a healthy lifestyle where you drink lots of water and eat good food. I have a blog about it and I'll link it. You have to read. It's a must read, especially if you struggle with skin. And then opt for natural makeup if you're a makeup girly. That gives more classy and demure. Let's go to the third thing, which is hands and nails. So I've talked about it in my previous video, Feminine Hygiene for African Women. Go check that out. So when it comes to the hands and nails, are they moisturized? Do you have polish or do you not have polish? So always opt for, if you go for polish, go for the more neutral colors. Do not put the long nails, the excessively long nails, and do not put those studs and sparkles and all that. Also, remember that your hands are the first sign of aging. They show aging, so make sure you put sunscreen. Your hands and nails show if you're a woman who has attention to detail or you have carelessness and are neglectful. And also, they show whether you have good hygiene. The fourth bit is shoes and clothes, and I've put it in that order because we tend to check the shoes first. Coco Chanel said, "A woman with good shoes is never ugly." Well, when it comes to your clothes, it shows what you think of the person you're meeting. The choice of clothes shows what you think of that person, and also it's an extension of you. The first bit, for example, when you go to church, you tend to dress more modestly. It shows you respect the church by dressing modestly. And in terms of self, an extension of you, when we see a girl who's wearing more street style, we will understand the kind of person that she is. When we see a girl with cargo pants and a crop top, we already have a perception of who she is. But if you see a lady with tailored clothes, fitting clothes, we will also have a perception of that lady, which tends to be more classy and demure. The next bit is body posture. Well, slouching and folded arms are a no-go zone because slouchiness shows you are bored, tired, lazy, and folded arms is more of a closed body language. So opt for sitting up straight or standing up straight, and opt for an open body language. When somebody enters a room and extends a greeting, will you stay seated? No, you stand up to greet the individual. Also, firm handshakes give off classy and demure. And don't forget to smile, but of course not excessively, especially depending on the situation you're in. For example, if you're in a UN meeting, right? The next bit is eye contact, which it also touches on body posturing a bit. Have direct eye contact. Look at the person you're speaking to or the person speaking to you directly in the eye. Finally, it's the smell. Do you have sweat or body odor? I forgot to mention this in my other video, or I think I mentioned it, but it's definitely a necessity to detox your armpits, with like lemon. Some people use apple cider vinegar. There's so many videos on that on YouTube. But also, you can be overdoing perfume. You can put such a strong perfume that it's excessive. So make sure you have a perfume that is more floral and feminine, that feels more sophisticated and gives off classy and demure. Also, layering is important, and you can have that whole combo of having a scented body wash, which goes to a similarly scented body lotion, and then a similarly scented body splash. Also, if you have a beautiful scent, it shows you have a keen sense of personal style, and it doesn't hurt to have a signature scent that people remember you with and gives off a lasting impression. So let me know if any of this help in creating your classy and demure first impression. We do not gatekeep, so share your thoughts and opinions on the comments.